Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 12th, 2022, and things have been thawing around here pretty steadily this last couple of weeks, bit by bit. And since it's so gorgeous today, we're getting this clean, white, beautiful snow coming down gently. All the birds are out. It's hard to see them with the camera and all, but I thought I'd just walk around a little bit out here and just share some of the beautiful views around here. The hardy kiwi plant here, the birds love being in here, and of course they love the fruit. And over there in the barberry, they love being in there. Right now they're feeding under the bird feeders and under the brush over there. So I just love it when we get this clean, crisp white snow. Makes everything looks pretty. And we often have pretty high winds here. And there's just a few inches of snow, probably 3 inches of snow here right now. But things are so beautiful. It's morning, it's about 7:30 a.m. And the snowbanks are all way down. Things have melted so much. The water's been running through all the canal systems and the swale systems steadily, but they've slowed down over the last day or so. Maybe 4 inches. Not bad at all. I can hear a red-tailed hawk in the distance. Yeah, there's definitely 4 to 5 inches here now that as I'm walking through this stuff. It's so beautiful. I don't know that this will show up very well in the camera. Winter can be challenging times. It's a time to rest, and it's certainly a time to clean up and get ready for the next season, growing and harvesting. And it can be challenging at times. But it sure can be absolutely beautiful. Lots of times the appearance of a food forest like this is part of the first food forest. It looks so much different with the snow. The light, just a few inches of light white snow. Of course, the bees are all hunkered down in there now. It's just such a beautiful atmosphere. And all these blueberry bushes, we've got to do some pretty significant transplanting. And I don't know if I will post this, but hopefully recently I posted the video created from the trail camera down by the beaver pond. Still more of the first food forest, but everything gets so darn muddy in the springtime. I love spring. I love the sounds of the birds. The geese have been coming back, and it seems like for miles and miles you see the flocks of the geese coming back. And it's just, well, it's It's like a rebirth of the season. It's such a beautiful time. And I just love it. Not everybody gets to be in beautiful places. And I just think that it's so beautiful. It's just so amazing. We're so blessed. The buds are just beginning to start to swell. Not much on these, on the serviceberries or Juneberry plants. It's so nice that so much of the snow is gone now, and it's easy to walk around. With our high winds, we've got trees down all over the place. So I've got some work to do. Before long, all the foliage will be out on all the trees. And it's a whole different scenery then. Everything's constantly changing. In the fall, we have all the beautiful colors. And throughout the whole spring, summer, and fall, we have the gorgeous sunrises and sunsets, the golden hours where all the beautiful colors light up all the foliage and the twigs so nicely. Now I can see I left the back door of the shop open. Rabbit tracks all along in here. Now I think I'll close the shop up. All the marginal plants that help with bioremediation around pond 4 here. Pond 5 over there. Just such a beautiful place. Just reminds me of the importance of being good stewards, being good custodians, and temporary renters of this beautiful planet that we have. Well, I think I'll end this video. The cameras probably have drops on them. But since the winds weren't out, and it's just such a beautiful scenery with the snow on the limbs and all, it just adds a splash of color. Well, the absence of color, I guess, other than white on dark. But it's such a beautiful, almost silhouette perspective. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye now.